Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw the Snoop Dogg, the dog. So let's get in there at the top, right? So at the top here, we're going to draw that sort of dog head. So let's just go and do a little dot right there. We're going to do the hair. So I'm just going to bring my pen, just curve it around a few times, around and down, like that. Bring it back up, same sort of thing, just sort of curve it around to the hair at the top. Then I'm going to do the same the other side, so I'm just going to bring my pen out that way, just bring it down a couple of times and then just curve it around underneath like that. Either side here, I'm going to draw the ears, so I'm going to do ear up like this nice curve up, sort of the middle's there, that little point there. Bring your pen round down, and this side just going to show a little bit of an ear there, down like that. Either side of the ear, inside of the ear. Just going to do like a little bit of piping like that, okay? All right, next up, let's work out that nose. It's got some sunglasses on. The nose area probably is about there. I'm going to do a circle first of all. Just pop a little circle in about here. And then I'm going to draw a curve of the face. I'm going to go from about this point, just get my pen, do a nice curve around. Let's bring it down and around like that, okay? Nice little curve like that. Let's pop a bit of shading on there, a little bit of light, chip of light on that nose. All right, let's get the glasses in. So the glasses kind of just come, first of all on the right, we're just gonna draw a nice line here, dip it down a little bit in the center of his face and then bring it around to the edge there. Then we're going to curve around, sort of meet the top of that nose area, and there's a little curve around here too. We're just going to edge these glasses off, so just bring your pen around, sort of edge those glasses like that, and while we're there we might as well just fill them in like that. Just do the little arm of the glasses there, just draw a little black line like that. Okay, right, let's just draw the neck. So just completing the head, so I'm just going to draw the neck, kind of curves around here, sort of just comes down a bit there, and just a little bit there. Then what I'm going to do is just draw a cheeky little smile there, so I'm just going to go into the face area, just draw a little mouth like that, and then just a hint of teeth, just sort of draw a few little dots there for the teeth. Okay, we've got those in there. Let's just get the hair sort of going down a bit further. We'll just cap it off there with a little curve. And it kind of comes down this way too. So it will come down sort of this way and then a little curve like that. Let's just fill these bits in black. Color that in. Yeah, like that. And then we might as well just have it going down like that. All right, okay, we've got that bit in. Let's draw a little curve along the neck where the t-shirt is. We've got that head area complete, yeah? Okay, next up, we're gonna look at doing the collar. The collar comes out sort of this way, sort of a nice big sort of chunky collar. Coming out like that and back up. And this side sort of comes out that side, down there and in like that. Now I've got that bit in, I can do the jacket. So 2 long lines down here. So it's going to come to, let's say, around about this point here. It's going to come along this way like this, just bring it in a bit, and then we can just bring it nice long down like that. This side, same sort of thing, just bring it in a little bit and then a nice long line down like that, okay? Right, now I've got that bit in, let's just work these shoulders out. So, got the shoulders coming down sort of this way, got a shoulder coming down this way, nice sort of little curve either side. Then we can just draw the arm sort of coming into the jacket area. So we're just going to bring the pen in like that there, bring the pen sort of down that way here. Now I've got those bits, I'm going to have the arm sort of popping out this way, so we can just sort of draw in the rest of this jacket area here. Just clip it out at the end, join it up. This side we're going to come down sort of this way, bring it out at the end and along it down like that. Just cap off where the t-shirt is, so just about there. So the jacket's coming down a bit longer. Then we'll just fit the legs in while we're here. So trousers sort of the middle is there, so about that point. Just draw a couple of lines up there. And then we're going to come down to about sort of this point. So I'm going to just grab my pen, just kind of taper in trousers here, wobble it along a little bit along the way like that. And here, sort of, yeah, bring it in, sort of taper it in from the inner part of the leg, wobble it around like that, and then we'll just do a little curve there. This side, the leg's coming out a little bit further to the right-hand side. So we'll just do the inner part there, we'll just bring the leg area out to about the same sort of point. And then here, we'll just bring it out and just slowly taper it down, wobble the pen about a bit. There we go, and we'll just cap that off like that there. Okay, he's wearing trainers, so this one here is coming out this way. So we're going to go to about this point, just draw a nice sort of rounded area there. We just need to kind of match that up to the trouser area. Bring your pen along a little bit, curve it out a bit, and then up like that. We then can just do a little bit of detail. There's like a little front section there, kind of rolls up this way. And then there's some laces. So I'm just going to do some little oblongs around there, just up to the trouser point. This foot is coming out this way, so I'm going to start the trainer bit with a heel there. Then I'm going to come along, sort of bring my pen, curve it along, and then curve it out again where the foot is, and up. We'll just bring the pen up and out like that. Again, we'll just draw like the midsection and the sole of the trainer there. And then we're just going to pop some, it's got a little line like that there, like this point here. And then we'll just pop some little curves so the lace is in again like that, okay? Cool, all right. Now I've got those bits in, let's work out the arms. So he's got his arms coming out either side, so sort of like sort of questioning things. So I'm just gonna bring the pen up, sort of out, sort of around this way. It's kind of like a baggy shirt. And we're gonna just roll that around here. Then we're gonna come in this way, just roll into the shirt there. And this side, similar sort of thing. He's got his arms coming out that way. Elbow probably about here, nice baggy shirt. Then we can just roll a circle like that, okay? All right, let's get these hands done. So we're gonna bring a hand out of the shirt area. We're gonna draw a thumb coming up like that on that side. We're then gonna draw fingers coming up and around. So it kind of comes up like this. We've got fingers coming up. So we've got 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 1 finger coming out like that. Bring it up like that. And then this side, we've got like a hand coming up here, and then we've got a finger here. So 1, 2, and then 3, and then finger up like that and around. And then bring a thumb up like this and just join it up. Nice little circle in the center there. Join it up there. There we go. Just oblong that finger a bit more. Draw some little rings on the fingers there. Like that, okay? All right, now I've got that basic outline, just gonna go around it. So just make it pop a little bit. Just sort of come out around the edges. Just make sure I'm kind of happy with the fingers. Quite a tricky one to draw, but I think it works. And there we go, we'll just go around those outlines there. Just make the dog really pop. Nice, okay, right, that's cool. Around the neck, we've got the little sort of bone medallion. So I'm just gonna do right about here, just 1, 2 little curves, same here, 1, 2. Just join that up and join it up there. And then we'll just give a hint of a bit of a chain either side there. And we're just gonna pop a little idea that it's saying Snoop in there. 2 chunky lines coming down either side of this cardigan, of this jacket. like that. And then I'm going to do some circles for the buttons coming down this way. And then I'm going to draw the little loop on the other side like that, okay? Right, few little folds in the trousers, so just sort of pop in a few little sort of curves for the trousers there, like the baggy sort of trousers. Just a few little curves, like makes all the difference, like wobble it around a bit. Maybe just on these edges, I'll just have to sort of make sure they sort of just roll around there. Yeah, just a few little curves around there, like that. And then we've got just from the elbow up here to the top of the shoulder, we can just draw a little line. Same here where the sort of stitching is. And then in here it's got like Snoop Dogg t-shirt. So we're gonna put a little kind of P in here. Maybe an O just sort of popping in into the jacket. And then there's like a D going on here. So it's just a little hint of what's on his t-shirt there. And then we're just gonna cap the line around there. Couple of pockets. He's got sort of a hint of one this side. It's just like pop couple of little lines and a curve either side there. He's kind of got another one there and another sort of there as well. Just gonna kind of do a little cuff area on the shirt like that. And yeah, I think that's looking pretty cool now, yeah? That's looking pretty nice. All right, let's get some color in there, yeah? It's looking good. First of all, let's get the dog skin color. So kind of like get that nice sort of Snoop tone. We'll just sort of color it in around here. Get that neck area colored in. And then really we're just gonna fill in the rest. Just be careful around that mouth. And let's do the hands. Just leave a little bit of a hint of area where we can put some rings on his fingers. Same on here, just a couple of areas there. Just like drawing a few little lines in. There we go. Fill that in around there. Cool. All right, just gonna get myself a little light blue and just make sure, just on the t-shirt area, actually just get the pen back and just maybe just draw in a little line there for the top of the t-shirt. And then I'm just gonna pop in just a little hint of sort of blue either side of that, so sort of showing a bit of shadow around there. Then I'm gonna get myself green for the shirt, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just fill this in with this light sort of green color. Just gonna fill it all in. Just fill it all in. Cool, okay, that's populated pretty good. Nice in there. Then it's gonna get sort of, get yourself a darker blue. I'm gonna just fill in these trousers with this dark blue, so just go around there. Just fill in nice dark blue trousers. Like that. Then it's going to get myself a bit of a lighter grey, and the grey I'm just gonna pop a few little highlights of grey on his trainers. So just these front bits here, maybe just a little hint on the edges and the back, like that. Doesn't need to be a lot. Maybe just grab that lighter blue again, and maybe we'll just sort of on the laces, just draw a little bit on there, so it just pops it a little bit. Get yourself a bit of a yellow next of all. Just gonna fill in those rings and that bone, the chain. There we go. Get those rings, or just a hint that those colours are there. Might as well just, I think, just do it on the little bits there, on the hair. And then, really, what do we want? We want to get a bit of a lighter colour, just for the inner of the ear. Yeah, that's good. And then we've got these glasses as well, so sort of like a sort of bit of a browny grey that we can pop along there. That looks cool. Then we've got to finish off the shirt, and we're going to just pop in a few little horizontal and vertical lines along here. So I'm just going to grab my pen, just draw in with the chisel tip. Few nice little lines going on. Or maybe one along there. Just sort of come straight down the shirt like that. And then we're going to go horizontal. So maybe just like a couple of lines. Just go straight across it. Nice little sort of cross effect, looks really cool. Yeah, that's cool. Maybe just get that blue back again, just a lighter blue. Maybe we'll just try and just put a hint. Maybe that's just a little bit too light. Let's have a look. Just a little hint of sort of shading going on. So just maybe get that sort of trouser dark blue. Just sort of give a hint, bit of shading around him. And then maybe we could just pop in sort of that button colour around here. And then maybe it sort of just comes in around these points as well. You don't have to do that, that looks pretty cool. I think that's about it. There you go. That is the dog, Snoop Dogg from Fortnite Remix. Let me know who else to draw in the comments and I'll keep on going, all right? We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.